Hello Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox, and this month Bramble Fox will sponsoring CSI and I choose to solve the case round number 363. So I decided to make a tropical layout using some design papers from the Vicky Boutin collection Let's Wander, and I decided to make some paper rolls. The strokes are 6-inch long and I roll them with using a straw, and I made 6-inch mini rolled paper rolls. And this idea is from Steffi Reed. I love Steffi Reed's her beautiful paper craft creations, and I definitely want to use these straws for these paper rolls on my layout, and I thought I want to make a tropical design with these paper rolls, and that's the reason that I choose for the beautiful collection from Vicky Boutin, the Let's Wander collection. And it's very tropical to me, so here I place all the paper rolls in place in the center of my white cardstock background. And when everything is in place, we start decorating the scrapbook layout further with photos, die cuts, and of course beautiful perspectives. My paper rolls are in place now on my white cardstock background, and it's time to put some design paper behind my photos. And I choose the design paper, the turquoise design paper, also from a Vicky Boutin collection. It calls Color Study, and I ruffle the edges of this turquoise design paper, and I love how it turns out. And I'm so happy you can combine both collection of Vicky with each other, and I'm very happy how it looked. So here I use a 3D foam on my and I use some 3D foam to put my photos in place on top of these design paper rolls. And when my photos are in place in the center of this page, I choose for a coral colored perspectives. Let's have fun. And this is a color that I want to use from the color scheme of the case file number 363. So as this perspectives in this coral colored perspectives looks so summery on this layout, and I'm so happy that I use this color with the green and the blues and the pink and the yellow color. Above my pictures I place a word strip, See the World, and I cut some design paper, I cut some flowers from the design papers from the Vicky Boutin collection, and I love fussy cutting, and I use them as flower ephemera on my layout. And here I slide the flowers underneath and using some 3D foam. Here I put a butterfly between between those pictures, and now it's time to glue my perspectives on my layout using some glossy accents. And I love the reason that I use some glossy accent is it holds my perspectives really in place on my layout. It's I think strong glue, and there are some other glues that you can use for perspectives, but I use glossy accents. And I layer with my die cuts, and I thought maybe I want to layer with my perspectives. So here I'm a little bit of layering my perspectives on top of each other. And love this snorkel, fits perfect by the photo of my daughter. And here I'm a little bit puzzling how I want to have my tabs and die cuts on this scrapbook page. But I think we're getting there, and I'm very busy with making clusters on both sides of these pictures. I love these tropical perspectives from the Bramble Fox Perspectives tropical set, and also really it fits perfect by case file number 363. Because I saw there that there were tropical leaves on the case, so I definitely wanted to use some tropical leaves. So I knew that I wanted to use these awesome tropical perspectives on the scrapbook page, and I really love it. So they are still available in the shop, and I think they are really a must-have for making summer layouts. Here I place another fuzzy cut flower on top of the other flowers that are already placed on this layout, and I added here some more word strips. So we almost there, and at the end I made some white acrylic ink splatters, and that is how I sold the case file number 363 from CSI. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I had a lot of fun with these summer perspectives and the case file number 363 from CSI. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to check the Facebook group of Bramble Fox for more beautiful inspiration with beautiful perspectives. And if you want to shop those beautiful perspectives, just hop over to the Bramble Fox web shop. I wish you a beautiful and crafty day, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!